Don't yell.
Hey, okay, don't
scared
you
him.
hit me. Don't you hit me. No. Don't you. I love you. I love you to death. I love you.
Jaden.
What is your problem with Grandma?
Jaden, Betito.
Let go. Let
Betito.
go.
Be nice.
What are you saying? No. Oh,
Aw.
that is so nice. Give me another kiss. You know what? Hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack.
Hey, you're crazy, dude. Jaden, say hi.